The kindergarten staff at Fairmont is embarking on a flipped classroom adventure. Won't you join us? Why do you ask? Well, a child's first formal years in school are positively impacted by a great foundation. Our goal is to help each child learn about letters and numbers using this highly recommended approach. Let's get started. Take a look at the first section called Letters. Let's practice together. A, B, C, D, E. Then when you're ready, move on to the next area called beginning sounds. The parent says the word first, and the child then repeats just the beginning sound, like this. Kite, k. Goat, g. The next section is sight words. When reading the sight words with your child, guide them as they echo read. So you're going to say the word first, then they are going to repeat the words you read from the list of words. Start at the left, just like we would read to the right. Have them track the print. That means they point to the word. The, we, the, we, and so on. In the next part, called words, have your child read each word like this. For example, you would say the word bag by saying b-a-g. What we're doing here is teaching the child to segment the sounds in each word from beginning to end, which leads to reading the words later on. Let's try the next word. Ha-at, hat. And one more. Bin. The last section of this page contains sentences. Have your child read the sentence once you have read it to them first. Use good expression and have them point to the word as they're reading it as well. That's a good practice. For example, the first sentence is, we see the school. Your child would repeat that just as you have read it with good expression. We see the school while pointing to each word. When your child makes it through all of the activities on this first page, give them some praise and tell them how well they've done before moving on to the next part. We are halfway there, ready to move on? At the top, you'll see the word numbers symbols. Have your child quickly identify, or as fast as they can, each number from left to right, just like you read top to bottom. When they're finished, move on to the next section, number words. The parent, you, should say each word, and then the child point and echo or repeat the word after you say it. In the next area, called number arrangements, the child says the number in each square fast, correct, and certain, just like this. 3, 2, 4, 1, 5, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Believe me, at first it may be a little bit hard, but they will get really good at this and much faster over time. Finally, in the very last section, called 5 frames, the child says the number in each 5 frame. Again, fast, correct, and certain. If your child is having a hard time seeing the frames when they're all shown together, you might cover up 4 of them and show them just 1 frame at a time. That's a good strategy. Thank you so much for giving this a shot with us. We're excited to have you on board as we begin this new school year. Thanks for joining us. Remember, this homework is very important. Complete it each night, Monday through Thursday, and initial the page at the bottom. Thank you.